Welcome back to Whitney's World. So far we did 3 videos. The first video I went through a couple different 9s to see which one I would like better. The second video I did the caliber comparison, and the third video I shot a pumpkin. This video I'm going to be concentrating on just the grip. So we have a blank target here, nothing that I'm actually going to be aiming at because this is all focused on the grip. So to start with the grip, I'm going to be placing the U of my hand as high as it'll go up in that little spot right there. Pushing, pressing with these 2 fingers and pushing back. So it's a tight grip, but I'm not shaking, it's just tight enough. Now with this hand, I like to point my thumb. I'm going to point my thumb towards the target so I know that I'm going in correctly. But I'm going to place it on in there. And at the end of this, as a way to check it, my thumb and my pointer finger should be even. Looks about right. Even Steven. So I'm going to shoot a few rounds, trying out this grip here, see how she goes. I'm still working on keeping the grip and not losing it throughout as I shoot. So now I'm going to try a few wrong grips to demonstrate the difference between a correct grip and a non-correct grip. So I'm going to be trying an improper grip, my hand's lower. You can see a big gap in between the 2, between my hand and the gun. Felt like I made the gun dance, which probably isn't the right thing. It's not the right thing. And now I'm going to go back to the correct grip. All right, so this time around I'm going to be applying the correct pressure with my strong hand, and then this hand's just going to be kind of hanging out, doing its own thing. Okay. Now I'm going to focus back on putting, what am I calling this hand?
Good pressure.
Good pressure. With my support hand.
My other hand.
My other hand.
My left hand.
Okay.
My wine drinking hand.
My wine. So now I'm going to come back and stabilize. I'm going to call this the stabilizer. Get back into that proper gripping. This hand's going to be a little bit more loosey-goosey, and the stabilizer is going to come in there. See the difference, feel the difference, experience experience the difference. I didn't feel too much of a difference there. It did feel a little looser in and throughout this area. And let's play the game right here. Okay, I'm feeling more secure with my grip, so I'm just going to go ahead and see how well I learned. Okay guys, thanks for watching this episode. Today was strictly just the grip. I know that I have to do some work on my trigger manipulation, but I definitely felt like there was an improvement towards the end as I was getting the grip down. I now can consider this hand the stabilizer. And yeah, so thank you for watching.